Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to our channel. I was having a discussion with one of the channel members on Facebook and he asked the very valid question, what parts do I reckon that you should own, spare parts, if something broke on this? Now, I've only had a couple... Ooh, well, that's a bit loose, isn't it? I've only had a couple of things break per se, or more like bend. It was one of these, and yes, I bought the little pack of these cup things at the rear. In fact, I think I have... I think I actually did buy those spare ones, yeah, okay. So, what I wanted to show you today was what I think you should buy as spares when buying one of these for the first time. So, put that to one side. The very first thing that you should buy is these diddly little things. And these are, it's the little black things that all of the suspension goes into. They do get damaged very easily, so buy a pack of those, without doubt. Now, buy the lower suspension parts if you wish. This is it vital? Well, put it this way, I've got two cars, both the red and the green car have had the same damage, and I actually managed to bend them back into shape using the hot air. So you can keep on doing that. I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but it's holding out perfectly fine. But if you're going to buy spares, I do recommend buying these. I have heard of people actually snapping them and having to glue them and whatnot, so please consider buying those. Now, the next thing that I would say is a very, very must is a new set of upgraded diffs. This is a video that I've actually done before, and without a shadow of doubt, as soon as you get the car, make sure that you grease the diffs, but then also buy upgraded metal diffs and obviously grease those as well, fit them in, and you will be sorted, because they are a very weak part on this car, and virtually everybody that's bought the car has had a diff problem. So buy that at the same time as ordering that. And last, well, not second to last actually, I would suggest definitely getting a spare pair set of differential casings, because everything gets screwed into the casing. Suspension, upper suspension mount, so it's definitely worthwhile having them, isn't it? Now, the last thing that I wanted to say was this. Now, a lot of people have these things at home already. I know that for sure. I used to have it, but I've not managed to build up all of my inventory yet. Now, I bought this pack off Banggood, I think, and this is all of the screws that will actually go on this car. So I'm definitely sorted for that. But one thing that I've noticed that you can use a lot of are washers on this car, because everything is just a little bit wobbly, a little bit loose. In fact, I used 4 of these to repair the differential, so it's well worth having some spares, spare screws, spare washers, and okay, there's going to be one more because I've just remembered it. Make sure that you get some spare nuts for the wheels as well, because they fail quite quickly. I know this because when we were doing one video, the wheel just suddenly shot off down the road without the car. So make sure that you pick up some spare ones of those as well. So that is it. That's what I suggest that you buy. Casings, diffs, lower suspension arms, these little doobry-dob-dobs, I can't remember the names of them, something cup, but all of these I will put in the description below so that you've got quick links to them. A spare set of screws and lots and lots and lots and lots of washers. I cannot stress that enough. Buy loads, okay? Don't go and buy 4, because you're going to use those in about 3.67 seconds. Go and buy loads of them. And then you should have enough to be able to fix pretty much anything on it. I mean, the rear wing I bent back, yeah, everything so far I managed to do with the bits that I have here. So there you go. Alright, if you'd like to hit that little like button for me, that would be very nice, and subscribe That'd be really kind of you as well. And hit that notification bell for future video alerts. Right, short and sweet. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.